This is our house and we have planted many trees. I will show you that sugar cane tree. This is a sugar cane. It is planted by my elder brother. You can see. He planted. This is sugar cane. When it will grow up, we will cut and post in Facebook. And this is our jhaugaj. I also don't know what is called in English. And there is another sugar cane. Where is it? Kuireda, Kundari. Ida? Oh, it is a root, not a leaves. It is a taka. We call it. Yeah. So you can see, and it is a banana taka. Yeah. This is what is the meaning of taka? You can text me, and you can write down below on the comment. And it is a banana tree, and it is our betel nut trees available. And this is a kunda. It is a pumpkin we call. And it is a pumpkin leaf. It is very beautiful to eat. It is very delicious to eat, like a bora. And yes, and there are many other trees also we will show, and it is full gardening. This is also pumpkin. Yes, we and we can